you're new to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been traveling part-time around Australia for the last 2 years. So to check out all our past episodes and all our episodes in the future, make sure you go down the bottom and like and subscribe. And on this episode, well, we're already in it. We're here at Hanging Rock. Monica, my friend, has not been here before, so we thought we'll stop it. Here's Monica here. She'll be joining us on this adventure. And yeah, so we're doing the climb right now as we speak. So if I lose my voice, please forgive me. Anyway, I reckon a lot of people will be happy out there if I lost my voice. Anyway, all right guys, let's go explore Hanging Rock. Halfway up already, and check this out. Look how gorgeous these rocks look, and they've got all the moss and all the rest of it. Whew, absolutely. What was your describing word, Monica?
Magnificent.
Magnificent. Check out this boulder. Look at this, hanging. I feel like I'm in a Looney Tunes cartoon and I'm about to get squashed by a boulder.
The name Hanging Rock is derived from a prominent formation on the path to the summit, where a large rock is wedged firmly between two vertical columns. Hanging Rock is a mammalian created over 6 million years ago by stiff magma that poured from a vent and congealed in place. As the magma cooled and contracted, it split into rough columns. These weathered over time into the distinctive pinnacles that is now a popular attraction.
So we're pretty much at the peak now. Now, if you remember the TV show Hanging Rock, they just released not too long ago. They filmed right through these little crevices, so they might look a bit familiar. And yes, I'm definitely out of breath. All right, we've finally got to the top of the peak. And here we are, you can see right out over the race course and all the way around. You can see the fog is lifting in the background. And yeah, we've done it. So now it's time to head back down. Ran into some really nice guys on the rock. And I said I'd pop one of my cards, one of my new business cards, in their car so they can check out the channel. So that was just them. I think we seriously might have a problem. I've lost Monica on the rock, just like the movie. Monica! Hopefully we can find her. Oh, hey! Oh, found her. It's okay. We're back on track. All right, let's head down. Know the story about picnic at Hanging Rock. There is a bit of an information centre / tells you the story about the picnic at Hanging Rock. This is a lady looking for the girls. Now, I'm not going to tell you if it's real or if it's not the story, but do me a favour, go down the bottom and comment and let me know what you think. Do you think the girls, it really happened, or do you think it was all made up for a tourism scam? finished your walk up the rock, and then you come down, you've done your little bit of a information centre and checked out if the story is true or not, you can check out the cafe. They've got food, they've got even wine. So we're going to go have a look at that, and then we're going to head off. You have a lovely little gift shop as well next to the cafe, so if you want to check that out, come in and have a look at what they've got. Probably wondering where Twyla and Adam are. Well, they are here, but Adam volunteered to stay down at the bottom of Hanging Rock to take care of Twyla, because Twyla, unfortunately, dogs cannot climb the rock. That's it for another midweek episode, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned this Sunday at 5 p.m. for our main episode. It is going to be epic. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and tell your friends about us. Otherwise, we will see you on Sunday. See you guys.